Mail, organizational communication in a hassle-free manner. Switch to an easy and effortless way to communicate at your workplace. Step up the way you connect with Mail. Mail is a beautifully designed and universal webmail for business, capable of managing an unlimited of mail accounts for various providers, allowing for smart push notifications and group emailing while enabling personalization across multiple email accounts. Mail comes with a wide range of visual and technical customizations, swipe actions and menus, action bars and buttons, colors and themes. As a next-generation mailing tool, it delivers robust capabilities to your team. Mail centers have top-notch security and surveillance, with a reliable 99.9% uptime. Mail's domain-based email has an integrated calendar that automatically syncs your events and updates on the fly. Plan events, invite your contacts, and set reminders with unmatched ease. Setting your calendar has never been this easy, allowing you to find the perfect balance in planning your daily and weekly schedule. Mail is a web email platform created by Onpassive. The platform enables the users to exchange communication and gives them a unique experience of communicating effortlessly. Mail has various features that make it the best email platform and prove to be a significant competitor in the global market. Artificial intelligence technology in the domain-based Mail has intelligent features like unlimited storage, online and offline integration of calendars, synchronization of email across multiple devices, import contacts and addresses from the existing email address, to name a few from the platter of various features that are offered by the email platform. Moreover, Mail users are given many options to create an email, customize it according to their preferences, enable notifications across multiple devices, scheduling emails, etc. Mail strives to provide the best experience to its users worldwide by enabling them with the latest updates in the email platform, creating exciting and long-term relationships with others. This is Robert Tantullo, proud Onpassive founder and your fellow legacy leader. For a complete list of facts and questions on our product, head over to www.onpassive.com. Thank you for watching and make it a great day.